guys, I'm struggling. Hair and makeup is done. Are you ready to see the final result? Hey guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a day in the life as a teenager with a home bakery, because as you may know, I don't actually have my own bakery, which as much as I'd like one in the future, I don't have one right now. I bake from home in my kitchen at home. So I thought I would give you a day in the life, as I'm also going to be filming a video for Kenwood today, which I'm very excited about. It's very hot outside. I have a plane going over my head right now, so that's why I'm shouting a bit. But it's very hot today, and I think I'm going to struggle a lot with the heat, but make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, because what I'm going to be making is very nice, tastes amazing, and I will have the recipe down below for you guys. But before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. Good morning everyone, I've just woke up. Let's get ready for the gym. Need to meet Rosie in 15 minutes. My hair looks a mess. I have some bits on my bed that Mum put there last night, so I'm just going to put these on because it's easier. Don't have to go through all my gym stuff. I'm just doing my jacket. Then I'll be ready to go mostly. But I really can't bother this morning, so I'm very tired. But I'm meeting Rosie there. I think I'm going to do cardio today. I'm just filling up my water bottle. But today, when I get back, I am filming a video for Kenwood, which I'm very excited about. But I need to run to Aldi after I've been to the gym to pick up some ingredients. I'm not going to show you guys what I'm making yet. You'll have to stay tuned until the end of the video to see what I'm making and how it turned out. But I'm very excited to make it, and that video will be up on Instagram very soon, so make sure to check it out. But now I'm ready to go to the gym. Before I left this morning, which by the way I have left, so that was so nice, Rosie texted me saying she's already there. She's 10 minutes early, which then just makes me look like really bad because I'm then late. But she's 10 minutes early. And it only takes me 10 minutes to get there, so I leave at 10 to 7. But anyway, I'm really here now. And I'm tired this morning, to be honest. I'm quite tired. I really cannot be bothered. But I'm going to go. I'm doing this one first. 5 minutes. Rosie's there. I just tried this machine for the first time and it hurts. But it hurts here. But Rosie's doing this one now. And we don't really know what we're doing. I am done and I'm sweating. But now it's time to go to Aldi, which is going to be so embarrassing going like this, but oh well. I forgot that it's not even 8 o'clock, well it's actually 3 minutes to 8, but even so, Aldi still isn't even open. But luckily I was going to sit in my car anyway whilst I just wrote down what I actually need to get, because I actually don't know what I need to get. It's not that many things. All done in Aldi. I wasn't in there long, so I needed to get a few things. I also just picked up one of these, but I picked it up in the golden syrup flavour, because last time, I don't know if you'll remember, but I picked it up in like the Biscoff flavour, but there was none of them, and I wanted to try a new flavour anyway, so I'm going to try them ones when I get home. I'm back. I've had my breakfast and I've had a shower and that, and one thing about me is I will always get myself ready in pyjamas, like always. I can't do it any other way, so I've got my pyjamas on and I need to start getting ready. I'm going to do my hair and my makeup to start filming the Kenwood video. I've just straightened my hair and now I'm just going to do my makeup. My makeup is nearly done. Excuse me, I'm still literally I've had a cough for weeks, but it only comes about in the morning, so it's really weird. But anyway, my makeup is nearly done. I just need to do my mascara, but I don't know what I'm wearing today to film. But but I've just done like a light-ish makeup. Like, it doesn't look that light here, but it actually is. And I used the new Huda Beauty blush that I got last week with Rosie when we went to the Huda Beauty event. Hair and makeup is done. Now I need to decide on an outfit. For my outfit today, I'm going to wear this top, which is from Addicted. It says, "Dear person behind me, everything is going to be okay." Well, gonna be okay. And it has it on big, the back here. And then also these jeans from Addicted. They are low waist, so like the first pair of low waist jeans that I have, but they're actually really comfortable and really nice. Kenwood apron on anyway, so you're not really going to be able to see the top that well, but it will just go obviously underneath. So I'm going to get changed and then start filming. I really like this outfit. I have worn it quite a few times though now, but it's fine. It's very nice. This is today's setup. I've got all of the food, all of the ingredients that I have prepared and put into bowls, and I have a K-mix here. Just put my apron on and I'm ready to start. All the ingredients, we've got egg, bicarbonate soda, vanilla, cornflour, butter, caster sugar, plain flour, chocolate and light brown sugar. Guys, I'm struggling. It's so hot today. It's the start of the heat wave today and I'm literally inside baking. I've just put the flour, cornflour and bicarbonate soda in. And then all I need to do is put the chocolate in. But I'm just so hot. It's very hot out today. Here is how it is looking. I'm about to put it into the oven. So it'll be done in 25 minutes. Whilst the cookie cake is in the oven, I'm just going to edit. I'm just literally putting it in now to edit. So I'm sit here and edit for a minute. But I've come upstairs because it's actually cooler upstairs than it is downstairs. Lunch for today is tuna pasta. I've done rigatoni and fusilli. I don't really know how to say it. But I'm just going to have this and then I can carry on filming because the cookie cake is nearly cool. So I've decided on the cookie cake I'm going to write Kenwood exactly like how this is wrote. So I'm going to do a white, write Kenwood in white first and then go over it smaller with black, and then this little part of the K I'm going to do red, so then it matches this, and I thought that would be really cute. It's like a little design, so that's what I'm going to do. The cookie cake is basically cool now, so I can actually start, but I'm just using buttercream that I have left over, which I made like 2 days ago, so it's still absolutely fine. Guys, are you ready to see the final result? I'm very happy with how it's turned out. I'm literally sitting on the floor right now, taking photos of it. Here it is so beautiful and the Kenwood matches my apron perfectly. Got lots of sprinkles around the side as well, I love it. Look, it literally matches perfectly. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. If you would like to make your own cookie cake, which by the way you can personalise however you want and use it for any occasion, it's so easy to make and it tastes amazing, then I'll have the recipe down below, and you can also check out my Instagram as the video will be up on how I make this cookie cake. Now the video is done, I'm going to get changed back into some more comfortable clothes, not jeans. Even though these are very comfortable. You get changed and I have lots of editing to do. And then later on I need to pick up something from my nan for my holiday and drop her off some clothes and just get some more bits done. I've got a long list of things to do before I go on holiday. Also, I'll be filming one part of my holiday, which is something very different to what I've ever done before. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because that video will be coming very soon as I'm going on holiday so soon. I'm so excited. that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, especially because, like I just said, I have something very exciting for you guys coming up, which I'm very excited to film, but also a bit nervous. Not going to give you any details or hints yet, but make sure you are subscribed so you see it. And make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, just like this one. Bye!